parts of the journey that I wish to share with you. It's been 10 years that I've been learning music, and it's been quite a roller coaster. Sometimes you can do, sometimes. So when Gagan came with these 2 tracks of Zindagi Ka Safar Hai Kaisa Safar and O Mere Dil Ke Chain, I just asked him, sir, can you give me these tracks? I want to record this. And when I first went to the studio, I was totally out of sync, totally out of range. And there is something called as sur chad raha hai. So my sur was chadowing all the time. And how to bring the sur down was his effort. And there was this phenomenal guy called Shatrughan Mandal who was very, very helpful and teaching me the nuances and the techniques of singing in the studio. And both the songs went off well. Finally, you have seen the product, I believe you liked it. And then, as we were promoting, our media manager said that I need to promote to both of you, so why don't you record Rabdi Meher? And we recorded Rabdi Meher. It went off without so much of effort as the previous 2 songs. And the rap part which you heard is, we were in the studios, and Gagan was talking to Alok Ranjan, who is our writer, and he was sending him by WhatsApp, सुन सुन प्यारे तो सुन मत वाले ये लाइफ भी एक प्लेग्राउंड है जब तक है उम्र तू खेल जी भर. And we were singing, he was sending and we were singing, and then finally we were able to bring it in the loop and hear what we have been able to produce for you. Most of you people have been part of this journey. I mean, we have been singing in the groups at different social dues, etc., etc. And a lot of people ask me, why do you want to do this? But as Baman has said, that if you want to do it whenever you want to do it, just do it. And that's why I decided that let me pursue my music. The idea of composing these songs was not to sound like the great Kishore Da. Idea was not to compare X singer with Y singer, but just to recreate the music and showcase what I would sing for Kishore Da. I have just picked up his style, and the rest all. I mean, I have brought myself into that song, and I hope that rather than imitating a singer, we can always do this to create something fresh. Well, as Baman said, I'll steal his words again. You have been extremely wonderful, wonderful audience, and can I ask you guys to clap for yourself once? Baman has been very, very kind to come here at a short notice, and special thanks to Zenobia, because I was all the time, talking to her, sending her messages, and she was very quick. Very couple of times she was in the market and she said, let me go home, talk to Baman and come back to you. And thank you so very much. It's been a great, great help, and we hope that this journey will continue. We do not want to stop here. And a couple of names I would like to thank, and before I introduce my team, I also like to put on record the great impact that Mr. Rajat Banerjee has had on my music. Can I have Mr. Rajat Banerjee? Where is he? He's left, okay. Okay, please come here. So this was a great impact he has had till the time we moved on. So, all the Kishore Kumar songs, all the Rafi songs, all that. He has been a great teacher, and I hope that he will continue to bless me and my music. And please, a round of applause for... Thank you, sir. Thank you. He is the man. One more round of applause for him, please. And the people who have been part of this video, can I have my team, starting with the director of the video, Shahzad Iqbal Khan. Can I have the producer, Sabir Ali? DOP, Mohsin Bari. Our production incharge, Anil. Choreographer, Kausar Bhai. And of course, my partner in crime, Gagan Singh. and the music team, the music has been composed for all the 3 songs by the duo of Vikas and Gagan. Where is Vikas? I think maybe he's in the studio. And a big thank again to Shatrughan Mandal, who was instrumental in introducing me to the studio singing. And can I lyricist is Alok Ranjan Jha, who has written Rabdi Meher and who was sending us all those raps and other things. And sometimes गाना आपको तो पता है मीटर में आ नहीं रहा है, मीटर में जा नहीं रहा है. So all those things were happening. So we were changing the words as we were singing and as we were recording. So thank you Alok for all this. And
ladies and gentlemen, I would request to call on stage my Guruji, Pandit Ramesh Jula is here. Please Guruji, come up. Actually, I was a little shy presenting these songs to him. Then I finally called him last time. Please Guruji. And I said, Guruji, the song is a little different. He said, okay, but it happens. And we are in this world. Pandit Ramesh Jula.
All right. I think this completes the evening's proceedings. The bar and the buffet is open, and I request all of you to join me outside now, including the friends from media, family and friends, and a very, very huge round of applause for the great Boman Irani for talking to us for 74 minutes. You cannot complain to me that I didn't give you enough opportunity to talk. So I have a reason to invite you again, and next time your speech will be 75 minutes. I promise you this. And Zenobia, I don't find words to thank you because you have been a great strength and you have been a great source. I thank both of you wonderful people for coming, especially with all your newfound equipments, and I wish you a very, very quick recovery so that next time we find you running from Dadar to Juhu. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks a lot, and thank you, team. Thank you, everybody.
I'm better, much better.
Looking forward to discuss my story.
साउंड बंद करवा दो अली साउंड बंद करवा दो
अरे अभी नहीं रुकना यार
उसको भी करवा दो
joining in the celebrations. May I request everyone to please settle down. People at the back, please be seated. We have with us a man with multiple talents. He's an Indian film animator actor.
We can start.
A voice-over artist.
We can start.
Stop. Not really feeling well, but then you come here for give your best wishes, like what I would say.
Anything for artistic endeavor. Anything.
Thank you.
And feeling well or health is only up to you. यहाँ पे अगर you're not feeling well, then you're not well. मेरा मानना ये. I'm very well. I'm very healthy. ऐसे ही सोचना very healthy. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इससे बहुत बुरे हाल में है. And we should be talking about it. मेरी health. My health is good.
Yes, let's not talk about
My health is good.
Rabdi Meher actually इसका music launch हो रहा है.
Right.
क्या कहोगे? What are your best wishes and how do you?
Somebody forwarded मेरे एक friend ने forward किया एक song. Very nice. Who's this singer? Saying he's my friend. I said, oh, wonderful. बात रहेगी. Then he said that they are launching 2 songs and one original song.
Yeah, Rabdi Meher. Yes.
Rabdi Meher, original song. Will you come? So initially, पहले मैंने बोला नहीं, I'm not too well. Then I बोला no, if I'm saying I'm well, I'll come. Why not? Anything for artistic endeavor. The first time I'm meeting this gentleman. First time I'm meeting you, right?
Yeah.
So it's very important to encourage any form of artistic endeavor, and I don't mean to cast any aspersions on anyone's age, okay?
True.
Because that's it. But I'm a great believer that everyone should do अपने lifetime में कुछ भी अगर आपके दिल में उमंग है कि करना है इस lifetime में कर डालो फिर एज देखिए मत और हेल्थ देख बस कर डालो and I am here to support that also.
Thank you.
Example, in fact, you started a little bit late in your.
मेरे एज के बारे में बात करें.
You are young and you will
Yes.
remain young.
That's exactly my point. I feel it's important to encourage any kind of. Who makes the rules? कौन किसने रूल बनाया कि ये उम्र में करना चाहिए यही उम्र में करना? आप तो यंग ही हैं. आप भी यंग हैं. हम लोग किसने बनाया है कि ये उम्र में ही अगर नहीं किया आपने अगर अंदर कुछ म्यूजिक टैलेंट हो और अगर सोच रहे हो कि हम कुछ और बिजनेस के पीछे हमने अपने वक्त निकाल दिया. Why can't we do what we want to do?
मतलब ऐसी क्या बात आपको लगी उस म्यूजिक वीडियो में? Definitely you always there to support. It's very nice of you. But then tell me something about the album. What you saw?
Soul is very important. बहुत सारे सिंगर्स हैं, गुड वॉइसेस, सुर में गाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. बट यू नो समटाइम्स एक सोल और एक फील का भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जगह होती है संगीत में. And I feel that these people have put in soul into the music. I love it's any song. There are two of my favorite songs actually, जो मैंने originally सुना. मैंने original ये जो
जिंदगी का सफर है.
So
ओ मेरे दिल के चैन.
I love those two songs. I love them. So when somebody brings a new spin on it, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
How about you enjoy music also and do you sing also?
I sing sometimes.
He sings.
Sometimes. I sing sometimes. I enjoy it.
I heard him singing "We Are the World, We Are the Children." And I asked him last night, "Will you sing?" He said, "यार मेरा गला भी खराब है."
वो तो excuse होता है लेकिन नहीं I'm really मेरा गला खराब. Last year I took it slow, little bit. I wanted to be मैं घर में रहना चाहता था. अभी फिर से काम शुरू हो गया जोरों में. अच्छा है. I enjoy being busy. लेकिन I took a gap because I became a grandfather. मैं दादा बन गया. तो मुझे लगा कि यार बच्चा suddenly बड़ा हो जाएगा और मैं बोला ये वक्त निकल जाएंगे और I wanted to spend more time with my and I'm enjoying being a grandfather. Grandmother standing over there smiling. I am starting a new movie in this month. Total Dhamal. I think we got 2 more days left. We had Total Dhamal on the film because we had a Total Dhamal cast. हमारे इंद्र कुमार जी जो है one of my favorite people in the industry, अशोक जी, one of my favorite people in the industry. और cast is so unbelievable. माधुरी जी, I love her. Everybody loves Madhuri Dixit.
Absolutely.
बहुत
इनके सामने बोलना होता है.
हाँ, माधुरी is a favorite. अनिल कपूर साहब, अजय देवगन, अरशद वारसी, रितेश देशमुख. I mean, what a beautiful cast. जावेद जाफरी, विजय पाटकर, so beautiful.
And Paman Irani.
वो भी है. तो वो complete हुआ. I'm starting Made in China in the coming weeks. थोड़ा मैंने delay किया है by just 5 days. Just 5 days. Otherwise, I've never delayed anything in my life. कभी I've never missed a day of shoot. I never delayed anything, and I never not land up. मैं पहुंच जाता हूँ कैसे भी करके पहुंच जाता हूँ. पहुंच गया आज.
बिल्कुल
पहुंच गया. Hello, how are you? The wishes were for everybody. The wishes were for everybody. You know, generally, and I just like to say, do your thing. Do not fear of the outcome. Sing with your heart, and it will touch people's heart. Simple. It's as simple.
Thank you very much. I think guests are waiting. If you
चलो,
can move in.
announce भी तो कर भी दिया.
हाँ जी. भवन
तो
सर
मेरे फिर भी बहुत बड़ा है.
बिल्कुल एक हम लोग कोलैबोरेट करेंगे बाद में जब बिल्कुल. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. चले?
This is yours.
How are you, man?
This is yours.
ले लो वापस अपना एक ले लो.
मैं सोच रहा था
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि संगीत इस मुल्क की रूह में बसता है और हमें बड़ा गर्व है कि हम उस देश के निवासी हैं जहाँ संगीत की इतनी समृद्ध परंपरा रही है और राजीव और गगन ने इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने में एक बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाया। जो हमारे लेजेंड्स हैं उनके गानों को रिक्रिएट करना, अपने अंदाज में गाना, उनकी आत्मा को जिंदा रखते हुए और इतने खूबसूरत ढंग से हम सबके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना, ये निश्चित तौर पे बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ कदम है और बहुत एंटरटेनिंग जो सारा कार्यक्रम रहा। उन लोगों ने जो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दी है और जो वीडियो हमने देखे बहुत ही खूबसूरत, और मुझे लगता है कि ये संगीत के क्षेत्र में उनका ये जो कदम है ये और आगे बढ़ेगा और अपनी मंजिल की ओर अपना रास्ता तलाशेगा और निश्चित तौर पे हम और भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने और नंबर्स उनसे सुनेंगे।